Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to go over how to properly shut down your PC, especially if you're using Windows 10. Shutting down your computer the right way can save time and improve your system's performance. So let's get started. First, let's check the CPU uptime of your PC. This tells you how long your system has been running since the last reboot. To do this, click on the search bar and type Task Manager, then go to Task Manager. From there, go to the Performance tab where you can view your system's uptime. Now that we've checked the uptime, let's shut down the PC and then recheck the CPU uptime. After restarting the PC, we'll check the CPU uptime again, which will show that it hasn't been shut down properly. Now let's move on to adjusting the power settings. In the search bar, type Control Panel, then go to Power Options. From there, click on Choose what the power buttons do on the left-hand side. Next, click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. This will unlock additional options in the shutdown settings that we need to modify. Scroll down to the shutdown settings. You'll see an option labeled Turn on Fast Startup that is typically recommended by Windows. However, this can sometimes prevent your system from shutting down completely, which could slow things down over time. Uncheck the box next to this option. Once you've unchecked Turn on Fast Startup, be sure to click Save Changes. Now go ahead and shut down your PC as you normally would. After restarting your PC, open Task Manager again to check your CPU uptime. You'll notice the time is shorter, meaning your system had a cleaner shutdown and rebooted more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully shut down your PC properly, helping to improve its performance. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.